US immigration detention has reached full capacity, holding 47,600 detainees according to a senior immigration and customs enforcement official. The Trump administration is now seeking additional bed space to accommodate the growing number of detainees. ICE is currently funded for 41,500 detainees, but with the rest rising since Trump took office on January 20th, the agency is pushing for more funding and support from the Defense Department, US Marshals, and the Bureau of Prisons. President Trump has vowed record deportations, citing high levels of illegal immigration under his predecessor, Joe Biden. Trump's border czar, Homan, stated in December that at least 100,000 beds would be needed for the administration's mass deportation efforts. Between January 20 and March 10, ICE made approximately 32,800 arrests. Shockingly, 27% of these detained had no other criminal charges or convictions. While ICE arrests have surged, deportations under Trump still lag behind Biden-era averages. However, Biden figures were inflated. Rapid deportations of migrants caught crossing the US-Mexico border illegally. As immigration enforcement intensifies, all eyes are on Trump's next move in his aggressive crackdown.